Hello, friends and family. Tomorrow, the 10th day of March 2026, is my birthday. I want to use this opportunity to thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you for following our Facebook and social media handles on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and then for subscribing to our channel on YouTube. Thank you for pushing out our work. Thank you for engaging with our videos. As I celebrate tomorrow, I would like you to be a part of the celebration. I'm going to host a live stream on YouTube. So I'm inviting you to be a part of that live stream. Of course, tomorrow I'll have some gifts to give out, and I'll also have some gifts to receive expectedly. So I will see you tomorrow in my live stream. Thank you for being very supportive of what we are doing. Thank you, and God bless you. Do have a very favorable day, and see you tomorrow during our live stream. The handle is Enuane Cultural Forum. Search it on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. See you during the live stream. I know I've not told you the time, but we are going to start as early as 8 a.m. tomorrow. See you tomorrow during the live stream. Bye.